In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve your writing with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Writing is a skill that can always be enhanced, whether you're drafting emails, composing essays, creating captions for social media, writing blog posts, or even putting together scripts like this one. ChatGPT can be a powerful ally in helping you elevate your writing, write more clearly, and understand what truly makes good writing tick. The key here is to think of AI not as a replacement for your writing, but as a handy tool that can guide you toward becoming a better writer. So let's jump right into it. The first step in this process is to write your own draft. This step is crucial. Before you even think about opening ChatGPT, I want you to start by putting your own thoughts down on the page. Don't fret if your draft isn't perfect. The important thing is to let your ideas flow freely. Whether it's a rough paragraph, a short article, a message, or anything else you want to refine, just get your thoughts out there. This practice is all about honing your ability to think critically, organize your ideas, and express them in your own unique voice. Once your draft is ready, it's time to open ChatGPT. This step matters because many people stumble into the habit of asking AI to generate their content from scratch every single time. Yes, it's a time saver, but it doesn't help you grow as a writer. To truly enhance your writing skills, you need to stay engaged in this process. Your draft not only provides ChatGPT with content to work on, but also serves as a learning tool for you. The more you practice writing first, the sharper your skills will become. Now, with your draft open in front of you, let's proceed to the second step, asking ChatGPT for improvements. You want to copy your text, paste it into ChatGPT, and use a simple prompt like, "Please improve this writing and make it professional." That straightforward instruction can yield a much clearer, stronger version of your content. But here's the catch. Be as specific as possible. Depending on what you're aiming for, you might ask ChatGPT to make your piece more formal, more conversational, easier to read, or even more persuasive. The clearer you are about your needs, the better the results you'll see. Once you receive the improved version from ChatGPT, this is where the real learning comes into play. Don't just accept it and move on. Instead, take the time to compare your original draft with the enhanced version. Read them side by side. Pay attention to the differences, the choice of words, the sentence structure, and how the ideas are organized. You'll likely notice better word choice, more fluid sentences, and an overall professional touch. This comparison is one of the most effective ways to elevate your writing skills over time. Ask yourself why the new version reads better. Did ChatGPT eliminate repetitive phrases? Did it streamline sentences and clarify points? Understanding these modifications helps you grasp what effective writing truly entails. Now let's move on to the fourth step, practicing and refining your work. Don't limit yourself to just one prompt. Continuously experiment with various instructions. For example, ask ChatGPT to make your text more engaging, or to incorporate examples. You could even request a friendlier tone, or one that sounds more convincing. With each new instruction, you'll uncover fresh insights into style, clarity, and effective communication. This is where ChatGPT evolves from a mere writing tool into your personal writing coach. As you continue this journey, establish a daily habit. Even dedicating just a few minutes a day can yield remarkable results. Write a short paragraph, enhance it with ChatGPT, analyze the changes, and then jump into a new topic. Consistency is key in building your writing prowess. Remember, writing is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. So to wrap things up, remember the simple formula. First, write your draft. Second, ask ChatGPT to enhance it. Third, study and compare the two versions. And finally, practice regularly. If you keep following this method, not only will you see improvements from ChatGPT, but you will also become a more proficient writer yourself. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. And if you're interested, feel free to leave a comment below and I'd be glad to assist you in transforming your own draft into something even better using ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.